Righto guys, welcome back to another episode. It's a cooking episode guys, down at this majestic spot here guys that you can see behind us. We're doing something a bit different today, so I've got my fellow chef here, Young Lee.
How's it going?
Check out his cooking videos guys, Young Lee's Kitchen.
Yep, down at Bushrats, check it out.
Now I'm just a TV chef guys, Lee is actually a chef.
Yeah, full qualified, but I'm taking it easy today, so we'll tell the people what we're doing today.
So what we're doing guys, we've got this big dog leg of lamb. I've always wanted to do this, so we're going to do a nice bone-in leg of lamb. And we're just going to hang it over the fire. We're going to keep it pretty simple.
Yep.
Yeah, it's going to be elite, but it's simple, guys. We're just going to hang it over the fire and pretty much go for a walk and let it sit for 5-6 hours.
Yeah, so E-Dog's going to be doing the meat.
Yep.
I'm taking it easy. I've got the veggies on the go, mate. So we've got 2 fruit, 5 veg underway.
Let's go. So take a look at Lee's video, guys. See how these veggies turn out. Most of it's homegrown stuff.
Yep.
I'm going to add some ingredients from his garden onto the lamb, and it's going to be a bloody good time.
Homegrown pumpkin, we've got some spices, some garlic. But let's get it all put together and get this thing on the flames.
Let's get it underway.
You. All right.
Let's get into it, eh?
Yeah, so what are you doing? You've got the lamb.
So yeah, I've got the lamb. I'm going to oil it up, spice it up, shove some garlic in it.
Got some homegrown garlic.
Check it out on Lee's channel.
Bit of rosemary, bit of garlic, bit of rosemary.
There we go. And this one's a little fancy. He's going fancy on us. He's got some sage for his veggies.
Sage veggies.
I haven't seen sage in a long time.
No, I grow it myself. I've got some mustard I'm going to put in there as well. So.
Oh dear.
So E-Dog's just going to start prepping up the lamb, stabbing some holes, stuffing it with some garlic. We'll get some content of that.
Yep.
And I'm just going to start chopping up some veggies, which I'm going to be doing in the old cast iron pot over the coals. But I think that lamb's going to take a few hours, eh?
It's a big lamb. I think it's about 2 kilos.
Yep.
So yeah, I mean the longer the better. It's going to smoke. It's going to do its thing.
Yeah, so I don't think I have to get the veggies on for a little while. So
preparation's key though.
Let's cut these things up.
Let's go.
How hungry are you, mate?
Have a look at the size of me.
Yeah.
Mate, I'm loving the fresh garlic.
Yeah. I've got a whole heap more growing at home, mate, so we'll have plenty for you. What do you reckon?
So what I've done is I've just stabbed a heap of holes in the old lamb. I'm going to fill that with a bit of rosemary, a bit of garlic.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
That should work out well.
Yeah.
Keep looking at my camera and forgetting you got a camera. Hello.
So guys, I've crushed the garlic a little bit, chopped it up. I'm going to stuff it in the holes. The holes that don't get garlic will get rosemary. And yeah, it's pretty simple. We're going to oil it, slap it, spice it, and we're going to hang it over the fire. It's a super simple one, guys. Not a lot of prep work. You don't really got to watch it. As long as your camp doesn't catch fire, you should have a nice piece of lamb at the end of it.
That's it. I've gone with 2 sweet potatoes. Stuff in it. Get your finger in nice and deep like, mate.
Yeah. The deeper the garlic, always the better. Never had any complaints.
Pumpkin in the pot.
Ooh.
Is that enough for you, mate?
Mate, yeah, I think...
I'll go another slice.
Why not? I mean, we've got lunch tomorrow, so...
Might burn it, so you might only be able to eat the stuff on the top.
You want to explain camp oven cooking? There is a bit of a secret to it, eh?
Yeah.
So I sort of seem to... You've watched my damper episode, guys. I've sort of always burnt shit. There's a bit of a secret, eh?
Oh, especially with damper. Everyone thinks you just get the fire crank and chuck it on the fire, but you got to try and get your temperatures right. So you want to get some low, I don't know, we put stuff in the oven at about 180, 200, which is just like a little bit of coals. Even for damper, I think you just want that at 100 and something. So just hot dirt to even move the whole coals.
Yep.
Bring a thermometer. Those little point and shoot thermometers are pretty good, so you know what you're dealing with.
Which we've got one. Milwaukee,
do we?
Milwaukee have hooked us up this episode.
Yeah, sick. Tell them I need some drills. Yeah, especially with the lamb as well, you just don't want to plonk that straight on the fire. You just want to try and get the temperature around it. About the same as you'd have in your oven.
Yep.
It's about 180, 200. Alright, so that's all the veggies in the pot for the minute. Looking nice. I'm going to cut up a few onions and some mushrooms as well, put them aside. And like I said, we're going to pop them in. They'll only take an hour at the most in the camp oven. So I think this here might take, what, hour and a half?
Yeah.
Hour and a half.
So.
Yeah, let's get some mushrooms out of the fridge. Got them too.
Let's go. While Lee's doing that, guys, I've sort of made our lamb look nice and pretty. We've got garlic stuffed in it. We've got our rosemary stuffed in it, and she's almost ready. So I might add, guys, we actually are doing damper. Me and Lee are going to sort of tag team a little mix action, and we're going to make little damper rolls. Just sort of be nice. Bit of a lamb and gravy damper roll.
Did you bring gravy?
I did bring gravy.
Oh,
we've got a major sponsor, mate, on our channel, which is Greybox. We use quite a bit of it, so they've jumped on board. So
for the gravy, you could, I don't know if we're going to do it, but a good idea is to put like a little pan under the lamb, catch all the drippings in there, and use that as your base.
That would be ideal, but
I've got a pan.
We might do it.
We might do it.
See how excited we get.
So it's got some little button mushrooms here. They're quite small, so I'm just going to chuck them in whole. You like mushrooms?
I do, mate.
What do you think?
Which type?
Yeah. Spiritual ones.
No, none of those.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 11, one for like 11 mushrooms.
Yep.
And last but not least, just going to dice up an onion.
How good. Where'd I leave my towel? I'll be back. So lamb's nearly ready, mate. The lamb is nearly ready.
I think you're going to need some of this one.
Yep, bit of garlic salt, guys.
And a bit of pepper.
Bit of pepper.
Get heavy on it. This camera's still going.
Bit of pep. Don't be shy, eh? And last but not least, guys, we're going to go some signature barbecue blend. Shout out to the Spice Lab. They're doing their thing and they're hooking us up.
Give us
So
that one.
go that.
That's nice. Check them out, Spice Lab.
Yep, good people, guys. Local Perth company. Yeah, home business, which is always good. Support the locals. I'm going this, guys, because it's got brown sugar in it, and over the fire, it's just gonna hopefully caramelise and give us that nice skin. So, actually, Lee, I might get you to do the honours, mate.
Well, I've decided to go 2 onions, so I'm just cutting up my second onion here. It's a lot, my onion.
Yep.
I like to put the onion peel in the fire because it smells hell nice.
Yep. Yeah, I've done that with the garlic. I don't know if that's the thing. So, guys, as you've seen, guys, we don't do spice from low down, guys.
It's got to be from high.
It's got to be up high, guys.
I'll do the first sprinkle.
Let's go.
Off the elbow.
Mate, I couldn't have done it better myself. I couldn't have done it better myself.
Get heavy on it.
So we're going to spice it up quite heavy, guys, just because it's got that brown sugar in, and we want that nice texture on the lamb, that nice caramelisation. And yeah, once I sort of hook it and we hang it, guys, I'll take you back down to the fire and show you guys how this big boy is going to cook. So guys, make sure you coat all the sides of the lamb. No point just doing the top.
Bit of sage into the pot. Gonna go some garlic salt in there as well. Oh, that's not the label. There we go. Coles brand.
My wife would be very upset about that, Lee.
She works for Woolies.
She is the Woolies. We bleed Woolies, mate. The fresh food people.
Bit of pepper as well, also from Coles. You like pepper, eh?
Yeah, mate.
Hope so, heaps came out.
100%. I'm just going to go wash my hands, guys. I'm back.
And now towards the end of this one, mate, I'm going to drizzle a bit of honey in there as well. So honey mustard,
oh my,
roasted veggies,
wow,
bit of mushroom, bit of onion. But
saucy.
Made a bit of a mess, but that's it. That's
cooking.
prep done. So we're going to get the tripod on the fire now, guys.
Yep.
And hang this leg of lamb. And that's going to take a little while.
That is. So that's the tripod, guys. I'll show you setup. It's pretty basic. So many brands out there on the market.
Which one are you running?
Pioneer.
Pioneer.
Thanks, guys.
I like Campfire, only because they give me some free stuff.
Alright. So this is a chain it comes with, guys. I'm literally just going to hook this through the leg of the lamb. Sort of the top bit. Yep. And yeah, hang it.
Let's get it on the fire.
Let's go. Righto, guys. So we're going to set the old tripod up over the old fire. And that lamb's going to hang in the middle. We'll get that. That might be a 2-person thing, Lee.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to drop the lamb. We've worked so hard on it, so let's go. Righto, guys. So this is our lamb. We're gonna hang her. We're gonna go quite low to start off with. it should be good. We'll slowly probably bring that up, eh?
Yeah.
See how it goes. So hopefully we get some sear on it, and yeah, the brown sugar does its thing, and
yep. Then we'll jack it right up.
We'll jack it right up and just let it smoke away. We're no chefs. Well, he is. I'm not. But that should be the ticket.
We'll do it.
We'll check in, guys, once it's done. Let's go.
Two hours later.
Righto, guys. So redemption is upon us. So last damper episode, I absolutely ballsed up. It's because we did. Was down at Seabird, and we did hook a pinky on the drone. We absolutely ballsed it up. But now I've got this guy. So qualified chef. He was just on camera then.
No, you're on your own on this one, mate.
So we want to have something with the lamb, so something to mop up the gravy and whatnot, don't we?
Yeah. Yep.
So we're going to try do another 2-cup damper. So on my last episode, guys, if you see, the lovely Nick did a Bulara station damper and bloody nailed it. So I'm taking tips off her, and we're going to give it a red hot crack. So let's go.
What's the plan?
So we're just going to do a 2-cup damper. So obviously self-raising flour. We're just going to go 2 cups. I think this is a cup. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it looks like a cup to me.
1. I think it's 2 to 1.
I can't remember. I haven't made a damper in ages.
2 cups. I'm not really going to measure it, the cup of milk. I'm going to use milk this time because I think I used water last time.
That's 1 cup by the looks.
It's up there.
Yep.
80 grams of butter. I think that's about 80 grams. That. Lee's going to hook us up with some salt from a height.
There's some salt.
And we'll be absolutely on. We'll get the mix on, guys, and I'll show you what we create. I'm going to whack it in my camp oven because Lee's is absolutely dominating the veggies at the moment. Let's jump over to his channel, check that out. Just give us a bit of salt, mate. Off the elbow. That's a new one. So I think it recommends about a teaspoon, tablespoon. I don't know, they're basically the same.
I think that'll do.
So I'm going to mix this up, guys, and then, yeah, show you what dough we get.
Let's get this thing on the fire.
Let's go. Righto, guys, so I've mixed it. I'm basically a baker. That's what we've got. We've only got a little bubble one because me and Lee, obviously I'm quite slim. I'm not going to eat that much.
I will give Jay a little.
We've got a collie ring in, so he's going to be the taste tester. Pretty unfair if me and Lee just say it's good. So yeah, we're going to whack this damper in, guys. So that's what we've got. I've lined a camp oven with some alfoil and some spray oil. And yeah, fingers crossed. We'll probably let it go 15, Lee?
15, 20. It's pretty hot in that fire.
15, 20 on the camp oven, and hopefully we don't balls it up and it's a bloody good time. But regardless, the lamb is looking spectacular. Lee's veggies are looking spectacular. So let's go.
Have we done here, mate?
Mate, we've done all right, guys. We're not going to film all of it because who wants to see someone eating, especially a fat boy like me?
No, we'll just give it a taste test.
Quick taste.
Jay's going to try it out as well, but
let's go.
Carve some up, mate.
I'll carve a nice crunchy bit for Jay.
Gravy looks good. Real sloppy.
Jay, get in here, mate. Get in here.
Okay, mate. What do we got?
So what do we got, mate? Look at that.
Oh, looks nice. You might remember Jay from such episode as Marin Season 2022.
Jay hasn't been on our channel, but I'm sure he will be in the future.
No doubt.
Mate, that is smoking hot. Give that a go.
Nice. Got some gravy here, mate.
Here, Lee. Here, Lee.
Won't double dip then.
Nice have a go. Spice Lab, rosemary, garlic, lamb, gravy. I'll try your veggies.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'll try spud.
Very nice. Veggies are looking good.
Spuds are good, mate.
Mm.
We're going to hop into this, guys. I'm going to personally sign off here, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Like and subscribe. Head over to the Bushrats.
You're probably going to call it a day too. I'm sick of filming.
Same.
It's been a good day.
Thanks for watching this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed the cook, and
we'll see you in the morning.
Let's go.
See ya. Hey, he's nice, eh?